Stromboli volcano, and it is also island in Italy, is erupting yet. This volcano is beautiful. There is a term we call a Strombolian, and that is because it is a mild kind of eruption, hundreds of meters, long eruption of the cinders, lapilli, and some volcanic bomb like this one into the air, and relatively mild, and is continuous in a way. It's not very violent, and it's famous for this. We name it after this. Even in thermal image, you can see that the size of it. Sometimes it can have something that we call as a pyroclastic surge, as you can see here. And yet they are not like what we see in Indonesia. They're relatively safer than that. Of course, if you be on the course of it, it will be dangerous, but not as much. They don't travel long distance. The island is small, although it has settlements on the other side. You can go actually have your meal, take a room, just sleep there. This side of it is the volcano. From the other side, you can come and have a look. It's part of the Mediterranean, subduction of the African continent under the Eurasian plate, closing down the remnants of the Tethys Ocean, as you can see here, or Tyrrhenian Sea, what is it called now? It's an island, and there are models of it built now. I wish they were commercially available when I was in Italy to get this. These are beautiful. I would pay anything for these models of the Stromboli Island. That's beautiful. So this is somewhere to think about and visit if you are in the Italy. That's a nice thing to go and see it evolve. It's a volcano, and you can go on the Amalfi Coast at the same time.